people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your comments, likes, and thank you for sharing my videos. For people who have shared my videos, I see them all. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe, and subscribe to my channel so you can join the family and we can all enjoy this ride together. Thank you so much for clicking that red button. So today's makeup tutorial is on this eyeshadow look. I remember I started a series, or if you can remember, I started a series on colorful eyeshadow looks you can wear, and I decided to just do something, you know, different, or something different from what I would normally do on my channel. So I'm trying to walk around creative looks, add glitters, cut creases, blah 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 blah, all that stuff. I know the queen of cut crease to me is Rootsy girl. Thumbs up to you. So guys, if you want to see how I'm going to create this look, please keep watching and don't go anywhere. I'm beginning this makeup tutorial with a yellow shade from the House of Tara Margaret Echo palette, and I'm using a blending brush and I'm applying this slightly over my crease line. So this is going to act as my first transition color. So I'm just blending using a blending brush. The next shade I'm using is this light orange shade, and I'm patting this, okay, not patting, I'm still going to use the same brush and blend it into my crease line, or slightly above my crease line. Using the same brush, I was just cleaning the brush on a paper towel while I was doing it. The next shade is this burnt orange shade from the House of Tara Margaret Echo palette still. Using the same brush, I am just using this to, still the same transition in chart, so just to enable the colors flow well. Going in with this orange shade from the Juvia's Space Masquerade palette, I'm just adding more intensity to that orange I used initially. So I'm just blending and blending and blending. Next, I'm going to use the concealer from LA Girl. This is in Cool Tan. I wanted to use something lighter than my original shade, so I'm just using this to carve out my crease line, and I'm spreading it from the inner corners of my eyes down to the outer corners. So I'm going to be using this orange shade. I think it's orange. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, just a little bit, but it's matte, but it has a little bit of shimmer. So I'm patting this gently on the place where I use the concealer to carve out my lid. So using patting motions, I'm patting this from the beginning to the end of my eyelid, so from my inner corners to the middle down to the outer corner. So I'm just patting this gently and adding more color to be sure there's no crease. So I went in back with the concealer to try to add another crease line slightly above, and I'm going in with this, I don't know whether this is teal, with a small smudge brush just to apply the color. I wanted to do a glitter, I wanted to add a glitter there, but I don't know, I just ended up using this teal color. I hope it's teal. I'm not so good with colors. So I'm just patting this gently on, or slightly on the concealer, trying not to stain the other part of my eyeshadow. So I'm using my angle brush and I'm cleaning out eyeshadow fallouts, and just to make the end of the outer corner of my eyes look sharp and defined. So going into line my eyes with my favorite gel liner, that's Cara gel eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing a little wing as usual. I'll try and put up a video on how to do an eyeliner, but I think I really show, you know, the techniques on how I do my lining in some of my videos. But if you want me to do a detailed video on how to do your liner, just let me know. I will put up that video. So as far as I'm concerned, I was done with this look, and I don't know, something touched me again. I decided to add glitters around my inner corners. So I'm taking a glitter glue from LB Cosmetics and a very colorful royal blue glitter, and I'm placing this around my inner corners. I don't know, don't ask me why I did this, don't ask me what was in my head. So I'm just applying the glitter really well, trying not to stain the rest of the eyeshadow. So that's what it probably looks like. So I already trimmed some lashes. Lipstick is from Kiss Beauty. I already did my highlights, foundation and contour routine off.
line my lips with Davis pencil in 18, and I'm applying the Kiss Beauty lipstick, matte lipstick in nude. I think it's 01. So I'm spraying my face with the NYX matte setting spray. And just to add a pop of color, I'm adding a liner from Maybelline. This liner is in the shade turquoise. Just add a pop of color under my eye. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.